Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Tim and welcome to SUNPAK Review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Bluedio T5 ANC wireless headphones and see if Bluedio's entry level king of bass still reigns supreme. So without further ado, let's get it. So as you may know, the review process is based on all or a combination of these pillars: presentation, aesthetics, usability, affordability, and is it as promised. When it comes to the presentation, you already know how I feel about Bluedio's black box treatment, but they have done something different this time around. Foregoing the usual matte black, outer sleeve, and magnetically collapsed black box, they've gone with a thick cardboard one-piece box. Bluedio has still managed to do the streamlined box right. On the front, you see a first look at the headphones. You also get the company's brand name, slogan, series name, and generation, all very nicely displayed. Around the side, you get the included accessory list, and on the back, you get more product information. Once the box is open, you see a protective layer of plastic, and when removed, you see the headphones and accessory box, which includes the manual, USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, and carrying pouch. So as usual, I like to talk about the carrying case first. It is made of nice suede-like material with drawstrings. The inner pouch has a divider so that your headphones are on one side and the cables can be on the other, lowering the chances of unwanted scratches. Now when it comes to the headphones themselves, with the exception of the new colors, they look exactly like the Bluedio T4s. Now that is not a bad thing because I happen to think that they look great. The build is made up of Bluedio signature premium alloy and polymers, and the ear cups have a circular shaped design that should fit around most ears. The ear cup, as well as the headband, are encased in a super soft protein memory foam wrapped in sleek leather-like vinyl material. Now I know that might sound familiar because I said the exact same thing about the Faith 2s and every other Bluedio product I reviewed. And again, that's not a bad thing because Bluedio's build quality is second to none. Unlike the T4s, the T5's turbo logo is embossed in the headband, which I know many people will like as opposed to the stickers. On both ear cup caps, you find a small Bluedio logo on top of a reflective type material that puts you in the mind of an old record, which I've always thought was pretty cool. The T5s come in 3 color combinations: black and yellow, red and black, and yellow and black. These headphones offer a 180-degree rotating hinge that allows for adjustments from left to right and a swivel hinge for up and down to give you a custom fit. All of the buttons are located on the right ear cap, which includes volume up, next track, volume down, previous track, charging connector, audio jack, microphone, multifunction button, along with the ANC switch and indicator. These headphones also offer vector flow technology, which is an awesome feature. To find out more about the vector flow technology, check out my Bluedio Faith 2 review where I break it down. While the Faith 2s offer a large soundstage with deep rich bass, the T5s offer a similar soundstage but is geared more towards a punchier in-your-face bass. I also did a breakdown of Bluedio's ANC in the Faith 2 videos, but for the sake of not repeating it word for word, here are my thoughts. For someone that has never had a pair of ANC headphones, it's pretty good. But for someone that has had ANC from brands like Bose, Sennheiser, or Bang & Olufsen, then of course it's not going to be as good as those headphones because those headphones are going to cost you between $250 and $300 if not more. One of the main things I like about Bluedio is the variety and price. They have the Air 2s at $49.99, the T5s at $59.99, and the Faith 2s at $69.99. All of which have their own unique features, but one thing in common, which is quality. From the build, to the sound, to the styling, to the technology offered, you should have found something that would be perfect for you. These headphones look good, sound good, and are priced good. If you're looking for a good all-around headphone, you won't be disappointed with these. Now, I personally long for the days of the bass that the Bluedio T3s offered that we haven't seen in the T4s and the T5s. But on the other hand, the T3s, mids, and highs did suffer a bit from that. where it seems that Bluedio has tried to make the T4s and the T5 seem more balanced. So this all around balanced jack of all trade headphone gets my seal of approval, and it is as promised. Well, this has been my review of the Bluedio T5's ANC wireless headphones. If you have any question about the product or like what you saw, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to be notified of future videos. Well, this has been Tim with SUNPAK Review, and we'll see you next time.